These fish really aren't for beginners, so pay attention and let's have some fun. This is Ling Cod. The size of these fish can range anywhere from 5 to 45 pounds H&G. Sometimes the meat's even blue. I'm not kidding. The blue color is a natural phenomenon caused by a pigment called biliverdin, which is found in some types of fish. It doesn't make the fish taste any different and it cooks out white, but it looks really cool. It's as soft and floppy as it looks. We're going to start by cutting off the collarbone. Just cut right around it. Keep close to the bone. It's going to move on you a lot. Don't worry about the jagged lines, you're not going to notice those later. Really nice fish are firm and almost round. Your knife will slide through them like butter. When they're kind of soft, your knife doesn't really want to go through it too well. Save the throat and the collar, there's a lot of meat on that. Flip the fish over and face your head to your knife side. We're going to make the cut from head to tail. The fish is leaning over really far because it's really soft, so I basically have to angle my knife up. It's really awkward. It's pretty normal for this fish. Cut all the way down until you get to the spine. Cut over the spine. Flatten out the belly and do your very best to break the pin bones without breaking the rib cage. It's much harder to trim them off afterward. These fish are notorious for having a lot of battle scars and really weird colored slime. The weird colored slime is actually their waste. You don't really smell it unless the fish is old and gross. This last part's so easy I can do it one-handed. I'm a magician. Hit the like button before I show you how to trim this off. Slide your knife under the bones, cut up, slip your knife between, angle it towards the bone, and cut around it. It's that simple. You can trim the bellies off before you skin them, it doesn't really matter. A lot of the time we cut the bellies off due to parasites, discoloration, or it's just so thin it's not worth the hassle. There should be no thick patches of meat and you should be able to see all the bones, should be nice and clean. Flip the fish over and then cut from tail to head. This side's far easier and you can make the table and the knife do most of the work for you. We'll cut down the spine like every other fish. It's no different at all. Mistakes to fix with this fish can range anywhere from easy to basically unfixable. The bones in these fish are really weird. They're both hard and brittle, especially in the cod family when most of their bones are soft. If you're just wondering, these fish are pretty ugly all around, especially its face. Before you start handling the pin bones of the rib cage, make sure the belly is not folded under or else you might end up cutting through it, and that's just a rookie mistake. You'll know if you cut through the pin bones successfully when you can feel where they broke from. Okay. Using the table as your guide, release the belly and finish the tail. Breaking through the long anal fin is fine too. Just trim it off and then hit the subscribe button. You gotta switch knives to skin it. Cod is easy to skin. When the fish is brand new and nice, I'll use a technique I call the grip it and rip it. But it's too soft, so I have to go with the shimmy. Move the knife and skin back and forth simultaneously to peel the skin away from the meat with the knife. Whatever motion works best for you. It's good to check to see what you're doing like I am here. I use my fingers to flatten the skin out as I hold it, keeping more tension on the skin and getting a nice flat cutting surface. Because of how long the fish are, you need to have really good knife control in order to make this look nice and clean. Now you can call me a boner. Like most fish, start your cut just before the first bone, using the tip of your knife cut down the thick side following the line. You'll catch on tops of the bone sometimes, but they're easy to fix, so they're just kind of hard to see. After the thick side is released, slip your knife over the first bone and cut down the thin side and trim your belly. Rinse and repeat. Cut Ling Cod is not like cutting black Atlantic, Murray, or Pacific cod, so please don't use this as a guide for anything other than ling. You'll see these all the time amongst bottom feeding fish. This is a parasitic nematode, also called roundworm. They either have to be cooked thoroughly or frozen for more than 24 hours, and then they're completely harmless dead. If you made it this far, please subscribe. If you went this long without learning something, stop lying to yourself and hit that subscribe button. Please leave me any questions you have in the comment section. I'm always here to help. I'd love nothing more than to become a full-time YouTuber. So please share this video, watch all my others, like and comment on all of them. Please help me get monetized and keep an eye out for live streams. And on a final note, don't worry about the weird color of this fish. The customer picked it out for me. Later.